my god, another piece. Huh? Can you believe this? Can you believe this? What a mess. Alright, see, we just took out a piece of cast iron pipe, and a fraction of the pipe went inside the new PVC line. It was just a remaining piece, something like this went inside there. And now, if it stays stuck inside, it's gonna clog the system, and the entire thing is gonna be, not non-functional. So what we're gonna do, fortunately, I have a little trick that I'm gonna teach you. So if you have this problem, don't leave it like that. If you feel like something is falling inside your PVC lines and it's metal, I'm gonna show you what I do that is really simple. Okay, so we have the two pieces that we're gonna use here. The two elements are ceramic ring magnets that are really strong, and this line, this mason line, I use it obviously to lay brick or block, or mark a perimeter. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just hook it over here, and we're gonna drop it down. Since it's not gonna attach to the PVC line, we're gonna go all the way down and find those pieces of metal that are there. So let's do some magnet fishing. Okay, so now we do, after we have it nice and tight like that, we're gonna go ahead and do some magnet fishing over here in this sewer line. Hopefully we find only, the pieces of metal that we that we threw inside. Okay, so let's do this. The cool thing about this PVC is that it's not gonna be getting attached to the magnet right now, but let's try to go all the way down and see if we can find. I can actually, all the way at the end, I can see the elbow that goes to the side, but it's just not going down as much as I can. I'm gonna try to drop it down and see if we can find a way that the magnet will take a turn. I don't want to smash these ceramic magnets, but let's see if we can actually bring it all the way up. And I think I have something, because by the time that I pulled it, I mean, it's a little more heavier than at the moment that I brought it down. I think it's coming. I think something is coming right now. Yes, we got a piece of it. We got a piece of it. That is awesome. All right. You see? We got it. You see this piece that is here? I remember that it fell inside, and this can cause a ton of problem. There's a whole bunch of settlements of metal that is inside there, but this piece, what can do is that it can go inside the pipe, fall in, hit the bottom part of it, and it won't turn. It will stay like that. And that is a big problem, because once it hits the other piece of PVC, it's gonna get stuck, and all the solids, all the paper and everything are gonna clog up, and you're gonna have a problem of thousands of dollars if you don't fix this in the beginning. Everything can flood inside your house or inside your client's house. So let's be responsible in a simple way. Now you know how to do this by using some pieces of magnet and a little rope, and saving the day. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell, comment, and obviously share this video so others can learn a little bit more about the simple idea of magnet fishing. See you. Oh my god, another piece. Huh? Can you believe this? Can you believe this?